How to format USB using CMD. Before you format anything, back up your files from the USB. Formatting deletes everything. Now, on Windows, click Start and search CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Next, plug your USB drive into the computer. In the command prompt, type DiskPart. Press Enter. Now type List Disk. This shows all drives connected to your PC. Look at the size column and identify your USB drive carefully. Once you're sure, select it by typing Select Disk 4. Replace 4 with your USB drive number. Now, wipe the drive by typing Clean. Then create a new partition. Create Partition Primary. Now format it. Use NTFS or FA32. For NTFS, format FS equals NTFS Quick. For FA32, format FS equals FA32 Quick. If you remove Quick, it will do a full format and take longer. Finally, assign a drive letter. Assign, and you're done. That's how to format a USB using CMD with DiskPart. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.